So Craftzilla sent me these 6 colored duct tapes. Thank you, Craftzilla. Duct tape is easily probably of like the tapes my favorite. I just think duct tape is some of the best quality, most durable and reliable duct tapes. So if I could get these open. This is how they came, is just this kind of shrink wrap plastic packaging. So let's have them all fall out. So we have pink, purple, blue, yellow, orange, and green. So good variety of colors. I guess if I'm understanding the dimensions right, they're supposed to be about 10 yards long and 2 inches wide. That's what I'm reading the description or the product listing as. I don't think this is 2 inches long. I could be very wrong about that, but that's what their description is. At the very least, on the sticker that they do have the 10 yards listed, but as for the 2 inches, this looks more like 1, but maybe there's some dimensions part that I don't entirely understand. Let's look at, I don't know, the pink one, I guess, just to, show it off. There it is, duct tape if I ever saw it. The inside, they got Craftzilla, their name in there. Other than that, I don't know what else to really mention. It's duct tape. So I guess one thing is they're not as like thick as your, well, sorry, not thick, but like it doesn't come with as much duct tape as you would in like a standard duct tape roll. I don't know what the name brand of duct tape is, but usually they're like, kind of out to there, I think. But it probably varies. I don't buy duct tape too often, but I wish I had more on hand. So edges are kind of sticky. That's something else, but I think I'll leave it at there. Good stockpile, great for parties, maybe for crafts, definitely for crafts. So get creative. There's a lot of things you could use these for.